Good morning students. Today we will learn your 12th chapter Air, Water and Weather. Cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, humid. All this tells the different condition of the atmosphere around us. Okay, these are called the weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Okay, the factors that determine the weathers are temperature, wind, air pressure, moisture and cloud. These are the factors that determine the weather. All these factors are related to one another. Okay, it is the sun that influences the factor. The heat of the sun affects the movement of the air, changes the form of water that brings about the change in weather. देखिए the role of the sun in the weather changes. What is the role of the sun? The sun and the movement, the revolution and the rotation of the earth play an important role in the weather changes. The rotation of the earth causes the day and night. The part of the earth that faces the sun gets sunlight, and the part of that face that has the face that gets sunlight and the day, and the other part does not get the sunlight, that is has the night. Okay, revolving the parts of the earth around the nearest the sun have hotter and the longer days called the summer, and the other part away from the sun and have colder and shorter days are called winter. Okay, देखो the causes of the wind. What does wind cause? The sun hit the air near the land. The air became hot and lighter. Okay, it rises up and cooler air flows down to take the place of that hot air. This moving of air is called wind. Okay, because the cause of wind. The sun causes wind. The sun heat of the water on the earth that changes into the water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called the humidity. जब the sun causes humidity, when there is a hot or the air is dry, you feel lot of sweat. Okay, when the sweat is evaporate and you feel cool, and when there is humid, the sweat that does not evaporate and we feel the sticky and uncomfortable. Okay, air. What is air? Air is the formation of many gases such as hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Okay, the blanket of air around the earth is called atmosphere. When the air moves, it is called wind. The strong wind called the gale. Wind that blows gently and lightly called breeze. A strong wind called storm. When the storm causes lighter and thunder, it's called thunderstorm. Okay, this is based on the movement of the wind. सी बीच क्या है देखो, सी बीच मीन्स ए कोस्टल बीच blowing from the sea towards the land is called sea beach. It occurs during the daytime. During the sea beach, what will happen? During the daytime, the land gets heated quickly, and then the sea, all the air above it became hot and lighter, and it rise up, and the cold air that from the sea crosses into it to take the place. Okay, then land breeze देखो, land breeze में क्या होता है? एकदम उसका reverse. That occurs in the daytime. This occurs in the night time. The coastal breeze blowing from the land towards the sea, it occurs in the night time. How land breeze occurs? At night, when the land cools down faster than the sea, the hot air above the sea rises up, and the cold air then rises to take its place. Okay. देखो water is on the earth is about 70% of water is there. Okay, so it is found in the river, lake, pond, etc. Evaporation. देखो what is evaporation? The water on the surface that changes into water vapor due to the heat of the sun is called evaporation. The process of changing of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Evaporation that take place at very fast rate by the following this. See, the weather is windy, the air is dry, the temperature is high, the exposed surface of water is large. Okay, then condensation क्या है? The process of change of water vapor into water by cooling is called the condensation. It is a reverse process. Water that get heated and evaporate, and water that called the cooling way, it's called condensation. Okay, it is the formation of dew, clouds, snow. Okay, the clouds are the form of the water vapor that rise up in the atmosphere and condense and form a bigger one, then it falls on the as rain, okay, into the ground. Hail क्या है? Hail means this is the hard ball of ice cubes of the cold atmosphere. These are called hailstone or hail. Snow क्या है? Snow is when the water that vapor freezes into air. It has teeny flakes like, okay, ice called as snow. Then what is dew? Dew means the water vapor in the air that contains and appears a droplet like on the grass, flower, leaves and window panel. This is called the dew. Okay. Frost, when the nights are very cold, dew or surface water freeze to form a tiny crystal. This is called frost. Fog क्या है? During the winter, the water vapor condense and the dust particle presses the air very close to ground and formed a thick cloud is called fog. Purification of water. Water, rain is the purest form of the water. Water in the well, river, lake has many impurities. Okay, these impurities may be solubles, that means dissolve in the water, or they may be insoluble, that does not dissolve in the water but remain in the water. Okay, may contain the disease causing also microorganism. So for this, before using this water and stream or any purposes, we have to clean this water. So what are the method to clean this water, to purify this water? There are some methods are there, we will study. First is boiling, sedimentation, decantation and then filtration. First boiling. Boiling is the simplest method of the purified the water. First heat the water for 10 minutes, then the microorganism and the germs that in the soil that get killed. Okay, we can, it is ready and we can use that water. Then that is sedimentation and decantation. देखो, when the insoluble substance that will remain such as sand, mud and the present in the water, we can purify the water by sedimentation and decantation. First step, keep the bowel or the container for still for some time, and then you can the impurities. You can see that the impurities that remain settle in the down and settle down in the impurities at the bottom of the container. Okay, this process is called sedimentation. Settle of the impurities in the bottom place is called sedimentation. And after the water ऊपर में क्या होगा, क्लीन वाटर होगा, उसको क्या करेंगे और एक अनदर कंटेनर में उसको ऊपर से पानी क्या करेंगे, सेपरेट कर देंगे और नीचे जो impurities होगा वो क्या होगा, रुक जाएगा. So this is called decantation. Okay, this is the process of sedimentation and decantation. But another method is filtration. Filtration क्या होता है, जो भी impurities water में नहीं मिलते हैं, that we can use a filter method to separate the impurities or germs from that water. The process of purifying water is better than the sedimentation and decantation. Okay, in this process water is passed through the filter paper. These impurities get collected in that filter paper and this is called residue. The impurities that remain in the filter paper, that is called residue. The clear liquid that filter and separate from the container, that is called filtrate. We generally strain the cloth to filter at the home. हमारे पास filter paper नहीं होगा तो हमें क्या एक cloth, clean cloth use कर सकते हैं. The water surface of the earth got filtered through their layer of the soil and get collected on the underground water. Okay. What is chlorination? The germ present in the water can be separated by the chlorination process. So what we will do? There is a chlorine tablet is there. If we put the chlorine tablet in the water, then it will kill all the germs in the and microorganisms on the water, and then we get the pure water. Okay, this is all about chapter 12. Thank you.